Have you ever wondered why sometimes airplanes fail to take off properly? Welcome to a crash course on understanding the risks and hazards of plane takeoff failures. Taking off is one of the most critical parts of a flight. It's a complex process that requires precise coordination between the pilots, the plane, and the control tower. Any disruption in this synchronization can lead to serious consequences. The takeoff begins with the taxiing of the plane, where it moves to the runway from the apron. A failure during this stage can occur due to mechanical issues such as brake failure, engine problems, or even a flat tire. Once the plane reaches the runway, it accelerates to reach the takeoff speed, also known as V1. The speed of V1 is critical because it's the point of no return. If a problem arises after reaching V1, the plane must continue with the takeoff, as there's not enough runway left to stop safely. Engine failure during this phase is one of the most common causes of airplane accidents. Other factors include bird strikes that can cause engine failure or damage the windshield, causing impaired visibility. Following the acceleration, the plane reaches the rotation speed, or VR, where the nose of the aircraft lifts off the ground. If the plane fails to achieve the necessary lift, it can result in a tail strike where the tail of the plane hits the runway. After the nose lifts, the plane enters the initial climb phase. Here, the plane must gain sufficient height to clear any obstacles. Failures during this phase can be due to insufficient speed, incorrect takeoff configuration, or sudden wind changes. Despite the risks, it's important to remember that aviation is one of the safest forms of transport. The industry continually learns from every incident, making improvements to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. To summarize, takeoff is a complex process that requires precision and coordination. Failures can occur due to mechanical issues, environmental factors, or human error. These can happen during any phase of the takeoff, from taxiing to the initial climb. However, continuous improvements and stringent safety measures make flying one of the safest ways to travel. So, next time you're on a plane, remember the intricate dance of physics, engineering, and human skill that makes every successful takeoff a marvel. Thank you for joining this journey into understanding the risks and hazards of plane takeoff failures. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe.